Okay, today we are going to learn chapter 2, Matter and the Atomic Structure. Okay, buku teks ni saya akan bagilah dalam Telegram. Boleh download dan bacalah. Okay, first, basic concepts of matter. Okay, at the end of the lesson, people are able to describe matter briefly, explain the changes in the states of matter, determine the melting point and freezing point of naphthalene through activities. Okay, first, meaning of matter. What is matter? Okay, ini dia punya maksud. So, awak tulis balik dalam buku nota lah. Matter is something that has mass and occupies space. Matter consists of particles that are tiny and discrete. Okay, salin maksud matter ni dalam buku. Okay, next, plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter besides solid, liquid and gas. Okay, a plasma is an ionized gas. Okay, jarang dijumpai di bumi plasma ni. Okay, most found in the universe. Most stars exist as plasma. Okay, changes in the state of matter. Okay, matter will change when absorb heat or release heat, ataupun caused by heating or cooling process. Okay, example, ice cream ni, kalau kita biarkan dia pada suhu bilik, dia akan change, ice cream will change from solid to liquid lah, because solid particles ni, dia akan absorb heat from surrounding. Okay, next, figure 2.2 shows the conversation among states of matter through the process of heat absorbed or heat release. When heat energy is absorbed or released, changes occur in kinetic energy, arrangement of particles, and attraction force between particles, causing the state of matter to change. Okay, itu yang berlaku sebenarnya. Okay, bila particles absorb or release heat. Okay, yang ni take note, tulis balik dalam awak punya nota. Okay, tengok sini, this is particles in solid. Okay, rujuk tepi ni, particles are closely packed in an orderly manner. Okay, partikel ni tersusun rapat dan padat. Kinetic energy of particles is low. Kinetic energy, tenaga kinetik dalam zarah ni, dalam pepeja ni adalah sangat rendah. Sebab tu dia tidak boleh bergerak. Zarah-zarah dalam solid ni hanya bergetar dan berputar pada kedudukan yang tetap. Okay, third, attraction force between particles is strong. Okay, daya tarikan antara partikel ni sangat-sangatlah kuat. Sebab tu dia tidak boleh bergerak jauh lah. Okay, when solid absorb heat, it will melt, ataupun melting process will occur. Change from solid to liquid. So in liquid state, particles are closely packed but not in an orderly manner. Okay, second, kinetic energy of particles is higher than solid state. But third, attraction force between particles is strong but less than solid state. Okay, liquid will absorb heat and will change to gaseous state. Ataupun kat sini berlakulah proses boiling or evaporation. Okay, in gas, particles are far apart. Okay, jauh lah. Kinetic energy of particles is very high. Sebab tu dia boleh bergerak, laju dan rawak. Attraction force between particles is weak. Tenaga antara zarah-zarah ni sangatlah lemah. Sebab tu dia boleh bergerak dengan laju dan berjauhan antara satu sama lain. Okay. From solid to liquid absorb heat, liquid to gas absorb heat. Okay. Gas to liquid release heat, liquid to solid also release heat. That is liquid to solid freezing process, gas to liquid condensation process. Okay, diagram ni dengan nota kat tepi-tepi ni awak tulis balik lah dalam buku nota, ataupun awak nak buat peta ke boleh lah, asalkan semua benda ni ada. Okay, matter can exist in the form of element or compound. Okay, element consists of particles, of atom and molecule. Atom, example carbon, sodium, magnesium, okay, and molecule, example oxygen, nitrogen, ammonia, okay. And second one is compound. Compound consists of molecule and ion. Okay, molecule, example water, oxygen, ion, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. Okay, so daripada atom to ion. Okay, ion are formed by transfer of electrons between atoms. Okay, example. Okay, sodium atom. This kita panggil shell nya, shell. First shell, second shell, third shell. Okay, at the third shell, only have one valence electron. Okay, this is not stable. So atom will donate one electron. So bila dia donate electron, so tinggal lagi 2 electron, 2 egg. Okay, so dia ada 2 shell sahaja kat sini. 2 egg. 1 elektron kat petala yang ketiga ni dah tak ada sebab dia dah didermakan. So bila 1 elektron kurang, dia akan jadi protonnya lebih. So proton dia charge positif. Sebab tu sodium ion ialah Na positif 1. Okay, chlorine atom. Chlorine atom dia 2 elektron, 8 elektron dan 7 elektron. So 7 elektron pun tak stabil. 7 elektron valence elektron tak stabil. So yang paling stabil ialah 2 electron valence ataupun 8 electron valence. Tu yang the most stable lah. The most stable electron arrangement. So kat sini ada 7 tak stabil. Dia kena accept 1 electron. Jadi 2, 8, 8. So 8 kat valence electron ni dia dah capai stabil. The most stable electron arrangement. So bila dia accept 1 electron, dia akan jadi negatif 1. Okay, so dah jadi chloride ion. Yang ni kita akan belajar nanti